In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to change or reset your Gmail password on your laptop or PC easily and securely. And welcome back to iTech Studios. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more useful tips. First, open your browser and then go to the top right corner of your Gmail account or Gmail page and click on your profile icon. Now, click on Manage your Google account from the drop down. Keep in mind that this change affects your entire Google account, as Gmail is part of it. Once in your Gmail page, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Security. Scroll down until you see or you find Password and then you click on it. You might be prompted to verify your identity by entering your current password, and if you've forgotten, simply select Try another way to verify and you'll be directed to this page. Now, enter your new password twice to confirm it. Use a strong, unique password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. When ready, click on Change Password to finalize your update. And that's it. Your Google account password is now successfully updated. See you in the next video.